of rubbish I'm dealing with. You can see it's close there, wider there, and then you can see the bend in the row. Awful, absolutely awful. No point straight edging it either, because you try and straight edge it, and yeah, you're gonna end up with pile loss. So you've got to get a seam stretcher on that bad boy. What I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to literally contort that there with a little click, leaving it on the lock. So that's literally, yeah, that's about right. And then I'll get that bit seamed in with a Koolglide, move across here, then I'll switch them around and pull it apart a bit, and then I'll grab them, switch them around and grab them back in a bit with that. And then we should have quite a good join. It's not going to be perfect, this one, but it's certainly going to be better than the choices I'm handed at the minute. So yeah. So I don't think that's a bad turnaround, realistically, for what I was working with previously.